Spy Queens here again. Hope everyone's having a good day, a good night. I'm Cindy.
And I'm Anitra. And together we are I Spy Queens. Hello, 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 everyone. How is everyone doing today? Hopefully fabulous. We got some friend mail today from Angie from
Dazzled by Vintage.
Yes. And we are trying to get everything together, which this is not going to work, but here we go. We're finna get into it. Oh my goodness. Grab me those ratchet scissors. Got my ratchet scissors, y'all. Still ain't sharpened them yet, but look, they cutting. What? They cutting, y'all. Look. I'm excited that they are cutting because I honestly thought they wasn't gonna work. We finna get into this baggie and see what we have inside. Ooh, it's another one. It's too nicely packaged. Ooh. Oh, and she got our favorite color. Purple is our color, y'all.
She wrapped that really good.
Of our channel. It's purple, mainly.
Yeah.
Purples and the pinks and
black and gold.
And the white polka dots.
Yep.
That's what we like to do. Oh, she got this wrapped very, very good. Here, you want to check this out and see before we if it's something everybody should see.
That's her card. That one. And Anitra, I Spy Queens. Thank you for your channel and your friendship. Angie, Treasured Vintage.
We got our little thing right here that Doug had put in our bag, which is so cute. So we're gonna keep that right there. Don't fall over, shoe. Don't. Okay. Let's get into it. Oh my.
Can you put it over here?
Yeah. Put it over there. I'll get this camera together, y'all. Okay, we have a baggie. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is a whole set. It's like a moon glowy color blue with peach beads. Did that come out of there too?
Mm-hmm.
And the matching earrings. The matching earrings. That's pretty. Gold tone chain. It's a long chain. I don't think they go with them, but they came in the thingy together. So we got that. Then we got these pair of like a moon glow color, mint green color with the gold beads. Very pretty. In very good condition. Then we have a pretty stretchy ring. Like a peachy color. We have this peachy and pink, like pink color stretchy party ring. That is cute. Shake it, shake it, shake it. That is pretty. Then we have a brooch. Gold tone with pink stones, rhinestones. Very pretty. Then we have a ring with hearts, rhinestones, white and pink. It's a pinky ring. Ooh. Let's see. It has some writing inside. Let's take a look and see what it say. Come on now. Oh, it's an Avon piece. Avon be making some pretty stuff. It's an Avon piece. It looks like it matches this brooch almost, but not really, but. Next, we have a pair of Silvertone Clippies. Look like they got hearts. Yeah, these are pretty. Oh, Jesus. Ooh. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. That is pretty. Shiny turquoise color. Yellow, orangey looking crystals. It's like a clip-on. Like you could clip it on anything. A hat, a shirt, whatever you want. And that's pretty. That is pretty. Seems like it's like a, yeah, it's crystal. Plastic crystal. That's pretty. That's like one of my favorites right there. Then we have a flower brooch with the rhinestone gold tone. Pretty. And I think this is a coral. Yeah, I think this is a coral. I'm going to open it up and...
we had a bigger one, something similar to that.
Yep, it's a coral. That is pretty. Then we have a heart pendant with pink. One of those like shirt pins. Another ring, turquoise, like, no, aqua blue color. Pinky. For me, it would be. Pinky. Oh, this got writing inside, too. Come on, loop. Like I said, GM. I can't see the rest of it. It's like made very good. I can't see it, y'all. That's that. Then we have a aqua blue and white crystal shell. Like a mother of pearl type of feel to it. Necklace. With gold tone beads. I mean silver tone beads. I forgot what the name of this class is called. Is it a toggle class?
I think so.
Yeah. That's pretty. Ooh, and then we got a bunch of these pearl. Look like it's freshwater pearls. White, tan, green, and lime greenish color. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Three of them.
It all look like it's
Oh my. Then we have another one of these party rings, I call them. These are pretty. The aqua blue color, turquoise color, stretchy, shaky ring. I like these. These are pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Then we have a pair of like a turquoise color with shells. This is pretty. On a tag. Oh, and it got some bracelet go to it too, y'all. Oh, and another bracelet. So it's got this double layered one, and then a single one.
I wasn't sure about that, but it's got like a
So we got all three of these pieces. Very pretty. Ooh, it's like a front of the bag. Fun. Ooh. And we know we're going to fight over this, Cindy. Now that is pretty. This is the type of stuff I like. That is pretty. I think I got a gold one like this upstairs. Oh. I'm on focus camera. This is pretty. Very, very pretty. I match my bracelets. That is pretty with the black crystal eyes and come on, purple rhinestones. That's pretty. That is my favorites. Favorites. And then we have...
So we don't have to fight.
Where?
It says 2 necklaces in that bag.
Oh,
so
okay, yeah. We don't have to fight, y'all. We don't have to fight. Leaves with a turquoise bead and gold leaf and a little round pendant with like a, what was this called again? Like the that material.
It's right there, but I can't.
We forgot, y'all. It's on the tip of our tongue.
tongue.
That is pretty. I'm going to do a couple more, then I'm going to let Sydney take over and share some of the fun. Then we have these sea bead earrings with the aqua blue color and the lime greenish color. No, mint green color, I'm going to call it. On a string, Silvertone string. Ooh, oh, there we go. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, I'll do one more and then Cindy can take over. Then we have a bracelet on a rope that says BFF. That's pretty. With stars. It's got the turquoise color, orange, ruby red color. That's pretty. Ooh, I'll do this and then I'm done. Okay. White crystals with kind of a mint dark green color pendant. That is pretty. Okay, everybody, here's Cindy.
Hello, everyone.
Gotta let Cindy have some fun too, right, guys?
So, our first piece is this pretty pendant. I believe it's supposed to be. Yep. It's got greens and blues and like a baby blue teardrop. Let's see if I lay it on my hand.
Oh, that is pretty. Yeah. That's very unique looking.
Yeah, it is. That's the front. Here's the back. My eyes are not working with me today, you guys. So just bear with me. I don't see any writing on it, though. But it's pretty, nevertheless. And next we have a pair of earrings, which are gold tone. Obviously, my hands ain't working either. And like a purplish color. Kind of looks like feathers to me. And like maybe they're native. But they're post earrings. And there's the back of them. We got like yellow beads, purplish color beads. Those are pretty. Let's see if there's any writing on them. I don't see any. But those are pretty. Next we have bangle. Oh, it looks like a belt. Like a, what color would you call that? Sky blue?
Yeah, I'm more like a turquoise color to me. Everything is like a turquoise.
Oh, it's a clamp close. You push the buckle down and it opens or closes. Gold tone. Don't see any writing, but that's pretty. It's got rhinestones in it. All the rhinestones are there, so that's really a plus. That's beautiful.
I just accidentally attached this.
Oh.
It's an easy fix though.
Oh,
just
okay.
gotta squeeze it together. I was fooling around with it, trying to figure out how you open it up.
And this is a mint green and like a peachy orange color.
Yeah, that's pretty.
With gold tone. That's really cute.
For Halloween,
I like that.
That'll be good.
Maybe it's supposed to be like this. Or maybe like that. I don't know, guys. Yeah, I think it was supposed to be the other way. Because I think the gold chain is supposed to be round. Or maybe it goes in the front. I don't know.
I think it hangs. Yeah, hold it like that.
Maybe
yeah,
like
that's how
that.
it goes.
Okay.
That's why I messed it up.
Oh, okay. There you go. But that's pretty.
You sorry, Angela, we messing it up. We messing it up, girl. We figuring it out.
So I noticed there's a lot of pieces that can be mismatched with each other. Ooh, this is pretty. It's got big crystals or rhinestones, maybe. That's pretty. That's a big one. Ooh, I like this. Got Silvertone.
Yeah, you can have it, Cindy.
Heart.
I'm not gonna fight you for your puffy heart.
The puffy heart, as Nietzsche calls it. Don't see any writing, but of course it's a heart, so you know Cindy. And then we have this Silvertone bracelet with oranges, like a rust color beads, and turquoise and silver beads. And Silvertone, and lobster claw, and no writing, but it's pretty. I like the way the beads are in between the links. Last but not least, we have this beauty. It's a multi-strand pink, like a hottish pink crystal with like crystals, I think plastic maybe, but these are stones. These feel like stones. Yeah, maybe we might have to test those stones, these big ones, because they feel like regular stones. And they got chips in here and little crystals, big crystals. That's pretty. Oh, is this one broken? Oh, maybe that's where this came from. I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't look like it though. I have to investigate that a little more. But it's pretty nevertheless. Let's see what kind. Oh, it's got a nice size lobster claw in there. It's got to with all this.
I know to hold that.
Busyness going on.
Busyness.
But that's pretty. Looks pretty under the lights too. All right, well, that's the last of the jewelry. And I'm going to turn it back over to Nitra, and she's going to do our closeout. Here's Nitra.
Hello again. So I would like to pick out my favorites from this friend mail and this butterfly right here. It's one of my favorites. I get the camera to focus. Yeah, this one was one of my favorites. The kitty. The kitty. That is my favorite. Cindy likes the clamp belt bracelet. And kind of like the native tone
and of course the puffy
leaves.
Heart.
Yeah, her puffy heart. And I also liked this piece.
Oh, I was looking for it. And this one.
These was pretty too.
I liked it this one.
Yeah, that's also pretty. Oh, and I liked these too, both of these.
Yeah.
Both of those party rings. I liked it everything, but these were
our favorite.
Our absolute favorite. So thank you very much, Angie. We truly appreciate it.
Yes, we do.
We truly appreciate it.
We appreciate the friend mail. We appreciate you being a subscriber and watching, and all the good and bad criticism and the friendship. Thank you.
Yes, we appreciate it. And here is her card. We got to get cards too, you guys. We will definitely have cards, you know, but we appreciate it. And thank you. Until then, we will be back probably Wednesday, you guys, with a jewelry jar from our video that we did of a scavenger hunting at the Salvation Army. They only had like 8 jars left, I want to say. And we purchased 3 of them. So, yeah.
And we've done 1. So we have 2 more left for you guys.
7 jars they had, and we purchased 3 of them. So we left 4. So we wasn't greedy. So, but we will let you guys get into that. So we waiting for that. But until then, thank you everybody for being a subscriber. It's free to subscribe. So if you run across this video, go and click the subscribe button. It is free. Free. Thank you again.
And until next time, have a good day, a good night. Stay safe.
God bless. And I Spy Queens out. Bye-bye.